Hey, everybody, and welcome back to week 6. We only have a couple more weeks left, and things are going by quickly this week. I just wanted to just let you guys know I've extended the late work deadline to Monday, February 28th at 11:59 p.m. Basically, I will accept any late work if you're missing any up until Monday. Until Monday on the 28th, when your next assignment is due, by the way, and I will accept it for full credit. After the 28th, I won't be accepting any more late work unless there was an issue, like if you were sick or something. But otherwise, I won't be able to because we're actually going to be wrapping up everything. And by March 7th, that is our last day, March 7th, to turn in anything, which is going to be our final project. So the 28th is the week before March 7th, and I want to get any uh, assignments that are not the final project. I want to get all those graded and make sure that everybody had a chance to finish it. So, in other words, if you're missing an assignment, even if it's from week 1, week 2, week 3, whatever, go ahead, go back, finish that assignment, turn it in, or if you got a little message from me on the discussion board saying, hey, you missed one reply, you got an 85, or you missed 2 replies, you got a 70. Go ahead and finish those replies, and I'll give you full credit for those. But you have basically, I'm recording this on the 17th, but you'll probably see this on the 21st. So you'll have a week to finish any late work that you have to turn in. So make sure you guys get that in there. Also, um, don't forget to that your final project is due on the 7th, and don't forget to do that. It's going to be worth quite a bit of points on your grade, so make sure you get it in. For the slides this week, what you're doing is that you're listing your SMART goals, and you can find your SMART goals back in your earlier chapters. You read about SMART goals, so do that and list those. And you can also find if you go and you're interested about the slide number 9, you can actually head over to where the final project assignment is at, where you will turn it in and everything. And you can find a little cheat sheet there. And I think this is the best one that kind of just talks about SMART goals. If you go and you kind of download this, you can see a little 6 examples of the SMART goals, and you can click on that, and it takes you to that. Right now, it's on my computer. It's not one. It's going to take a second. It's always really slow. It redirects, whatever. But just know that the SMART goals, you can find an example there, right here. And so go ahead and do the SMART goals. And when you're finished with that, when you're finished with that slide, yeah, just make sure you finish that slide. That's what I want to say. Sorry. Thinking and scrolling at the same time doesn't work. And slide number 10 is your reference page. You should have at least 2 references where you got information from. And that's really easy. It doesn't have to be like fancy, like APA style or anything like that. As long as you give me your links to where you got your information from, you're good to go. So those are the last 2 slides, and hopefully you guys will have that done pretty quickly. It's not too difficult, like I said. You can always go back if you scroll down and go back to right here. That was posted on a Saturday, the January the 22nd. You can watch the video for the final project. It's pretty good. It's pretty extensive, and you can see what you need to do there. If you have any questions on that, do not hesitate to reach out to me. So, Chapter 9. Chapter 9, I like this chapter because it talks about diversity and the diversity you're going to run into the campuses and stuff like that. And it's, like I said, it's pretty cool. Go over here to course content. Remember, we are in Section 3. So head over to Section 3. Click on that bad boy. And here where it says Chapter 9, click on that bad boy as well. And you will have all your stuff there. Now, for the discussion board, don't forget to answer these questions. And then when you're finished answering the questions, don't forget to reply to 2 other people. And that's it. That's your only homework assignment this week. because that's your last actual homework assignment, except for the final project. Again, the final project, I wouldn't consider it a homework assignment. I'm considering that like your final project slash final slash all the tests that you didn't take, because we didn't really have a test in this class except for the final project, which is going to be pretty big. So again, make sure you get that in. Make sure you look over this. And like I said before, I will still take any late work in until the 28th. So make sure you get any late work in as soon as possible. I will drop one grade, but do make sure that, you guys get all your work in. All right. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm here for you. Adios.